In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate data entry in Airtable. We'll start inside Airtable on desktop. Log in and open the base where you want to streamline data entry. Think of this base as your workspace for routine information. Before building anything, take a moment to look through your tables and spot the entries you repeat again and again. New client details, standard tasks or projects, and incoming form submissions are perfect examples. The more consistent the pattern, the easier it is to automate. Next, prepare your table so the automation knows exactly where each piece of data belongs. Make sure required fields already exist, like single line text for names or titles, single select or multiple select for statuses and tags, date fields for timelines, and any linked records you rely on to connect tables. Clear field types reduce errors and make mapping a breeze later. Now, open automations from the top right of your base and choose Create an Automation. You'll begin by setting a trigger, the event that starts the workflow. Common choices include when a record is created, when a form is submitted, or when a specific field is updated. If you need Airtable open to follow along, there's a link to the official site right at the top of the description, so you can click through and mirror these steps in your own base. After the trigger, add the actions you want Airtable to perform automatically. Create record is great for adding new entries in another table. Update record can populate fields based on existing data, and send notification can alert teammates the moment new information lands. Map each field carefully, double-checking names and types to ensure accuracy. To keep things tidy, add conditions so the automation only runs when it should. For example, only add a record if that client doesn't already exist, or only update fields when the status is pending. This prevents duplicates and guards against accidental changes. Before going live, run a test. Create a test record or submit a test form, then verify that data populates correctly, fields update as expected, and any notifications arrive in the right place. Fix anything that looks off. When the test looks good, turn the automation on and observe the first few runs to make sure everything is smooth. Finally, revisit the automation logs regularly and adjust triggers, actions, or conditions as your workflow evolves. Keeping things updated preserves speed and accuracy. That's how you can automate data entry in Airtable to save time and reduce manual work. Thanks for watching.